Hello everyone. Have you ever traveled somewhere just for the joy of the journey? On holidays, I enjoy taking short trips to nearby city by train, watching the scenery pass by, visiting new places, and experiencing different atmosphere. Make my holiday more exciting. A typical holiday for me consists of traveling by train, exploring a city, and enjoying the journey as much as the destination itself. Thank you very much.